candy bar wrappers, bottle caps, straws. It's a shame. It's a damn shame. Good morning, and welcome back to the Rim Vlog. We are on day number 2 of the 7-day mission to try to clean the beach. As you can see, we got ourselves quite a bit of trash to deal with. Yesterday I was about, I don't know, 300 feet that way, a little further up, closer to the lifeguard tower. But I'm just gonna set up shop right here, and I'm just gonna put the trash can right there and just throw shit in. I got myself the bigger trash can today. Yesterday we had the green one, today we have the bigger black one. I did 4 smaller bags yesterday, but today's goal, same thing, let's go 4 bags. I don't know what to say. Beach looks like a goddamn mess. And Captain Puerto Rico is here once again to save the day. Alright, this is the check-in. Number 2 done. With how easy I'm filling these up, we'll probably be able to do 5 or 6 like that. Like Thanos. If only I could do that and eliminate half the plastic in the world. Alright, so I just ran into my first snafu of the day. My main piece of equipment, it broke. I was trying to pick up something a little too heavy, and now this thing doesn't close. So, I'm with this one. Luckily, I came prepared. I have a backup piece. It's not as good as that one. That one can pick up some good stuff. This one is a little, tiny little pincer thing going on, but regardless, it does do the job. So it's on to bag number 3. Bag number 3, it's you and me. Alright, so pause on the cleaning for just a minute, because I just came across the first weirdest thing. I mean, I've already found condoms, usually find needles, the usual straws, plastic tops, bottle caps, motor oil. But today, I found a fish. Thing stinks. I have just finished bag number 3. Let's just hope it doesn't rip. I brought some stronger bags out this time, so we don't have to necessarily deal with that rip situation we were dealing with yesterday. This one's a heavy one. This one is a heavy one. I can't get this one out. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's a full f***ing bag right there. We got one more to go. It's really nice out here. It's disgusting, but it's nice temperature-wise out here. This beach is filthy, disgusting, it's gross, it's despicable, it's embarrassing. It's something that needs to be fixed. I'm about halfway through on the 4th bag, and for sure one thing I've noticed today, there's a lot of plastic straws, there's a lot of bottle caps, and there's a lot of wrappers to candy bars. That's been the 3 main takeaways from today. Candy bar wrappers, bottle caps, straws. It's a shame, it's a damn shame. Bag number 4 is almost filled, and I don't know, I gotta go pick up some medicine for Iverson, so I'll probably take off after the 4th. Also gotta take him to the vet. He's got a little lump in his throat. We're gonna see what that's all about, and we're almost done. But today, I'm actually not done, because later on my boy B.Holt is gonna be performing, and I'm gonna go make him a music video. He's gonna be opening up for DJ Quick. I've never seen DJ Quick, so it'll be a chance to go see a legend. Just completed number 4. Bag number 4. This one feels like it's gonna be a heavy one. Let's hope this one doesn't rip. Too late, already ripped. I think we could still salvage it. Number 4. My mission for today has been completed. I stuffed 2 of the bags over here, and I stuffed 2 more in a trash can over there. They need to provide me with some bigger trash cans because there's a lot of goddamn trash. But anyway, today's mission is complete. The first part of today's mission is complete. I gotta go take Iverson to the vet, try to get a workout in, try to do a little bit of editing, and then I gotta head over to Pomona to go shoot a music video for my boy B.Holt. So, we'll see you tonight. Beach cleaning went very well today. I filled up 4 bags, about 25 pounds each. Got about 100 pounds of plastic and styrofoam and straws and plastic cups off the beach, so feels good to do it. It is now 5:17. I am on my way to Pomona to go make a music video. So let's hit the hyperlapse button and let's get the fuck out of here. All right, much quicker to just hit the hyperlapse button and I'm there in 2 seconds. Magic. I think this is actually my very first time in Pomona. I've never been over here before. This is like their main street. The venue's just up ahead. It actually looks like an old movie theater. It looks pretty cool. There he is. Man of the hour.
What's up, dude?
How's it going, man?
Good, bro.
So this is the venue tonight. This is pretty epic. Look at this thing. This is a beautiful setup. I bet you didn't know you were going to be playing live at the Apollo, did you?
Didn't think so, bro.
Like,
it's crazy, dude. All this shit looks wild.
this is always one of the most nerve-wracking parts. He goes on in like 2 minutes, and I got like 4 cameras to set up. I have to do it in like 30 seconds.
Right now, I'm at this lady with baby, we drinking from the Romania. Took some pills for the pain, she got from Lithuania. Ain't a fresh from Albania, she got social Cambodia. And some more she got all the way from Ethiopia. Man, the world wide. I need plenty to follow. When this house you can pocket change, I'll be ready tomorrow. And if a time goes, you can leave a penny to borrow. I play all 4 quarters, fuck your envy and sorrow. I'm just a young boy. Keep it jealousy body. Don't follow your pride like a Hennessy body. Artists and trying got me go feeling the semi with Donald. But the only one shooting shit, I'm just taking the bottle. It's time B.Holt. Look, everybody go. You think of the back of the back of the back of the back of so many fucking commas. Switch everything up. You got a problem and you really looking for drama to bring it to me. You gon' settle it with your motherfucking mama. I started half a crew with a paragraph or 2. I'm a savage. You mad at you slamming damage. You haven't you realized. I beat him up like Mike Will. I got him sleeping like my knuckles was smothered at night quill. Alright. So I got my boy Corinne right here. Let's go, Corinne. I didn't even ask for it. Now he comes to, he's been to like my last 5 shows. He comes and films them. I didn't ask him for nothing or anything. He just comes through and he's down for it. So I need everybody in this room to make some noise for my boy one time. That's right.
This has been another exciting episode of the Rim Vlog. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Beach clean day number 3. Until then, catch you on the flip side.
I'm from California, San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco. You can just go.